Hey guys, welcome to this our latest video, and in this video we are going to talk about how to crop videos on Android. So you don't need to have a special app like editing app on your Android phone or Samsung before you can crop your video. So in this video I will show you the step I use to crop videos on my Android phone each time I want to remove unwanted part from my video. But before we proceed, please, if you are yet to follow Gadget Right or subscribe to our YouTube channel, do check out our channel and subscribe so that when next we drop any video, you'll be among the first few people to get the video via notification, and you'll be able to implement this as early as you can. Now, to edit your video on Android or crop out unwanted part in your video, the first you want to do is you want to go to the Google Play Store. Literally, this app is mostly pre-installed, but if the app is not pre-installed on your phone, all you need to do is just follow this step. Go to Play Store and search for Google Photos. Once you search for Google Photos, as you can see, I've already installed this app, and this app requires an update. So in your own case, instead of updating this app, all you need to do is to download the app. Download the app and install the app. You don't have to set up anything. Once you have downloaded the app, then you will be ready to crop out unwanted part from your video using the Google Photos app on your Android phone. And of course, here I'm going to show you the step by step on how to do that. Now, once you've successfully installed the app, click on the open button. Once you open the Google Photo, you should have something like this. Now, you want to click on library. Select library. Once you click on library, this will take you to your Google Photos and everything you have on it. So, including videos, images, and images from Twitter, Facebook, including even WhatsApp. But this is it. When you want to crop your video on your phone, you follow the same step you used to crop images on Android phone. So this feature is just available in the Google Photos so that the way you crop images on Android, you can easily crop your video using the same technique. So here I'm just going to select a random video, and I'm not going to play it because of plagiarism or purpose. So you see this video, okay, let me just get a video I've not cropped. So suppose this video, you see this. Now this is a video. Now I'm going to crop this particular video. To crop this video, all you need to do is click on this edit button as indicated by the arrow. Once you click on that, you should see all editing tools coming up on the navigation. See that? Makeup, even more. So you can just pick your video from your recorder. Then this is makeup, this is filter, adjust, and here is the crop option we want to make use of. Do not forget that there are some other preset options to crop your video. This one rotates the video. You see that? Once you click on this middle icon, it rotates your video even before cropping it. Now, if we choose this, third option, it will bring out your video in a format that looks like a ratio. So, but in this case, we want to crop out a particular area out of this video, and what we want to crop out is this statement. And also you can just use this to choose what you want to crop out in your video automatically. By you can go for 16 by 9, 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 4, square, and even original. But in this case, we are going for a manual approach to crop this video. Now, once you have clicked on the crop icon, once you've clicked on that, the next you want to do is you want to drag this, either of this, and this. So I'm just going to drag this. Since I want to remove this particular image, I'm just going to drag from top. You see that? Now this image is gone. This. If I also want to reduce the gap between these two and the edge of the video, I can just do that. You can also adjust it from right. You can also adjust it from the left. Then once you have done that, you want to save a copy of this video. by clicking on save a copy. Once you click on save a copy, the cropped video will be saved depending on the length of the video, but it usually takes less than 2-3 minutes to save a cropped video using saving video. So and that video has been saved. So you can see now the image is gone. The image was somewhere before, but now with this process that we use to crop this video, the image is gone. So this is how to crop your video on your Android phone without using any paid or premium tools. All you need to do is use a free tool called the Google Photo to crop your video on your Android phone. Please, if you enjoyed this video on how to crop videos on Android phone, hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thank you.